on this V part that I got from Nadula. I'm getting ready to put the wig on. So it is their upgraded V part, and this one is a pretty ombre brown color, and it's yaki, and it's nice and thick, okay? It is a thick unit. So this is what the new wigs look like. So this is just for shipping purposes. You cut this off when you get ready to put the wig on. But this is the inside construction. So it still has the breathable, stretchable cap in, stretchable, is that a word? The breathable, yeah, stretchable cap inside of the inside. This is what it looks like, y'all. My hands might be ashy because I've washed them so many times today. But it has the grips along the back. It has the comb right here. It has a comb on each side. And it also has the grips on the band right here. So you can also remove the band or move it if you want. And then the newest feature is this drawstring in the back. So you can pull it like this to make the wig tighter or loosen it up a bit. So it has this like silicone or rubber piece, which is comfortable, y'all. It's not hard at all. It's super tiny and flat. If I can get that hair out the way. So this is what it looks like. Just a little flat button, and it slides up and down. And then at the very tip, okay, so then at the very tip right here, it has another little thing. So what you do is you slide the wig down like this, and then you take this tip and slide that down like that, and then it locks the wig in place, so you don't have to worry about it like moving or anything like that. Like this is not going to move if you put that little latch down. So we like that. So let's go ahead and put this unit on because I'm running late like always. Just like that, and it opens up, and then it also has the smaller clips, which I like, but sometimes these can hurt as well. So I always think about switching them out for these, just because one, it'll be flatter, and two, sometimes these like they tug a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead. I already have my hair sectioned out like always, except I did my 2 little anchor braids right here. Well, I usually do 4, but I did 2 this time. So I have a braid right here and a tiny braid right here. Let's put this thing on. So I'm just adjusting the band in the back, the original elastic band, not the drawstring, because this thing was hanging. So I'm gonna take these combs on the side and pull it all the way forward. And then same over here. So much better. So yeah, definitely make sure you're pulling your sides forward because that makes a huge difference in the fit.
Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice. Let's pretend that it's a movie. Let's pretend that it's a story.
Okay, so it's super flat up here though. Like this part is so flat. It's just back here that's a little bit bulky for me. But this is how I'm leaving it for now because I have the event to go to. But when I get back either tonight or in the morning, I'll show you guys other styles to do, like how to do a side part and then like little updos and stuff. But yeah, this is it. I do like the color a lot. I think I'm going to pin it up. Maybe I do half up, half down. I have to be quick though.
In the imaginary world. In the imaginary. In the imaginary. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine for me? In the imaginary. Can you imagine? Let's pretend that it's a dream life. Let's pretend that it's a dream house. Let's pretend that it's all goodbye.
I think I'm satisfied with this, y'all. I only like curled the bottom a little bit and then did these. And then this part, I can call my Uber now.
That's where I do my best work. That's where I put myself first. That's where you just can't get hurt. In the imaginary. In the imaginary. Nadula.